Busy. Need to try to hurry up and snatch this out. You know what? Always wonder what I find to talk about on these things. But man, it's some stuff that's been on my mind lately. You know, I remember things from the past, and you hear phrases, and it becomes so much more relevant as I go by. A city on the hill can't hide itself. It's funny how you know, when things start happening, I start listening to a lot of people's advice, and a lot of people's advice is kind of like hide, secure your stuff, which makes sense. And even literature I was reading. But you know, I remember something my mom used to say, and it goes for me too. She said, man, certain things people can do, I can't do. And she was talking about even some of the dirt people do. But it goes the same for me. Everything I've always done, people always watched it. And here I am in a situation where you got someone whose thoughts is hide yourself. You can't do that, man. Same principle, same parable in the Bible when they talk about who lights a candle and puts it under a bed. Everybody remember those old songs we used to sing. Said, let my little light shine. And some of you guys, man, or ladies, whatever you guys do, man, it's a success or it's a future success, man. Do it. Don't be scared to put it out on the front street. You're going to do some stuff shaky, and it's going to be some times you win and fail, but you might as well get out there. Ain't no need sitting up in the stands and watching everybody else do it, you know. But anyway, that's all I wanted to say about that. I wanted to talk about this car, but it's a vehicle. 1954 Chevy C10. Main mission, like I said, is get this thing out. Interior smell like mice been sleeping in this thing, man, and having babies. But anyway, that's another story. Anyway, stay tuned. It's going to be a process, man. We got a lot that need to be done. We're going to do a 6.0 or a 5.3 with a 4L80. We're doing a CPP front end conversion. Disc brakes on the back. It's just a few things that should be done, so I'm hoping we can wrap this up in a few months. We'll see. We'll see how money come together. We'll see what needs to be done in the future. Anyway, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hold up, let me go over here. I always talk about this one, but I've been sitting this thing down so long. I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. I started wiring this up this morning. I already swapped the transmission out again. AC might be the next thing that we do next, but for the most part, just want to get this thing running. Try to get it out the next 4 to 5 days. Anyway, stay tuned.